Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make a two-frame video in VN. First, open the VN Video Editor app on your mobile device. Look for the large blue plus sign at the bottom center of your screen and tap it. Then, select New Project from the options. You will then be prompted to choose your initial video clip from your gallery. This clip will serve as the base for your split-screen creation. Once your first video is in the timeline, it's time to prepare the canvas. Tap on the original button at the top of the preview window to change the aspect ratio. Consider a 1:1 or 16:9 ratio for a balanced split. Then, use two fingers to pinch and drag your video, resizing it to occupy approximately 1/2 of the screen, either the left or the right side. Now, let's bring in your second video. Look for the picture-in-picture icon, which looks like a small video camera with a plus sign located just above your main timeline. Tap this icon, then select Video/Photo to browse your gallery. Choose the second video clip you wish to use. This clip will automatically appear as an overlay on top of your first video. With both videos on screen, use two fingers to resize and drag your second clip into the empty space, creating your two-frame layout. Ensure both videos are aligned and fill the screen without overlapping. You can also adjust their individual volumes and trim their lengths for perfect synchronization. Finally, tap the Export button, usually in the top right corner, to save your new split-screen video in excellent quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.